Today we're diving into the world of e-commerce with Big Cartel, a robust platform designed to help creators, artists, and small businesses sell their products online. Throughout this video, we'll explore this program's 5 key features, user experience, pros and cons, pricing structure, and alternative options.
Let's kick things off with a recap of this program's main features. Customizable storefront. Big Cartel offers customizable storefronts, allowing users to create a unique online presence that reflects their brand identity. From customizable themes to personalized domain names, Big Cartel empowers users to stand out in the crowded e-commerce landscape. Inventory management. Simplify inventory management with Big Cartel's intuitive tools, enabling users to track stock levels, add new products, and manage orders with ease. Mobile optimization. Reach customers on the go with Big Cartel's mobile-optimized storefronts, ensuring a seamless shopping experience across devices. Integrated shipping options. Streamline shipping processes with integrated shipping options, including real-time shipping rates and label printing, to deliver a hassle-free experience for both sellers and buyers. Marketing and promotion tools. Drive sales and engagement with Big Cartel's built-in marketing and promotion tools, including discount codes, social media integrations, and email marketing campaigns. Analytics and reporting. Gain insight into your business performance with Big Cartel's analytics reporting tools, allowing users to track sales, analyze customer behavior, and make informed decisions to optimize their online stores.
Big Cartel offers a range of pricing plans to accommodate various business needs. Their plans start with the free tier, allowing users to list up to 5 products with basic features. Paid plans include the Platinum plan at $9.99 per month, offering additional features such as Google Analytics integration and inventory tracking. The Diamond plan, priced at $19.99 per month, unlocks advanced features like custom URLs and discount codes. Experience a seamless user experience with Big Cartel's intuitive interface and user-friendly tools. Whether you're setting up your store, managing inventory, or fulfilling orders, Big Cartel provides a smooth and efficient experience for users of all skill levels. Big Cartel offers a user-friendly interface, customizable storefronts, and integrated shipping options, making it an ideal choice for artists, creators, and small businesses. Additionally, its free plan and affordable pricing tiers make it accessible to users on a budget. However, some users may find the platform's features limited when compared to more robust e-commerce solutions. Additionally, customer support options may be lacking for users who require assistance.
Looking for alternatives to Big Cartel? Consider platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Squarespace, and Etsy, which offer ranges of features and customization options tailored to different business needs and preferences. Each alternative has its strengths and may better suit users with specific requirements or goals.
In conclusion, Big Cartel offers a user-friendly and affordable e-commerce solution for creators, artists, and small businesses looking to sell online. With its customizable storefronts, integrated shipping options, and affordable pricing plans, Big Cartel provides users with the tools they need to succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Ready to take your online store to the next level? Sign up for Big Cartel today and start selling your products with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more tips and tricks to optimize your online presence. Thank you for watching.